Okay, these are the boys from Dalley's litter, and they're so darn cute. So little. There's Dalley. She's a good mama. She's little. Hey, sweetie. Yeah, that's a good girl. And this here is Boy Camo. Let me back up a little. Okay. Boy Gray is right there. Boy Gray. He's got a lot of white on him. Good boy, buddy. He's a cutie. And you're probably, yeah, you're Boy Black. Boy Black's a cutie too. Good boys. Okay, Boy Gray popped back up. This is Boy Turquoise right here, little guy. Hey, little guy. And who do we have here? Your Boy Blue. Boy Blue's also little. Little fella. Scoot back where I can see y'all. Boy Blue. And who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Boy Camo. That's Boy Camo. He's pretty dark. Oh, did you roll off, buddy? Boy Camo's pretty dark. He's got some white spots, though. Oh, scoot back where I can see you, buddy. Okay, you're probably Boy Gray. Yep, that's Boy Gray again. Yep, that's Boy Black again. That's Boy Turquoise again. That's Boy Blue again. And that's Mama. And they're all just so cute. Good girl.